So I am bench testing and taking a closer look at the Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback trunk latch today. And we see we have a 4-pin connector here. And when the latch is in the open position, we will have continuity on those 2 wires here. I'll show you. So we're going to put the latch in the closed position. Let's get a screwdriver. Okay, so that means that when the latch is in the closed position, we're then not going to have continuity on those wires. So this little bar goes up to the handle, and then when you push down on the handle, that opens up the latch. And then I'll show you a little bit closer. You see these 2 screws that holds this back part of the actuator in position. It looks like there's these little clips around the around this housing. I'm not going to open it. I don't want to break it, but you might be able to remove this housing out. I think that there's a motor in here. This looks like it's a standard hobby motor. You just want one that runs in both directions, because I'll show you what happens here. These 2 wires, the red and the blue one, will lock and unlock the latch. So I have a power probe in the office. I'm actually hooking this up to red here. And then we're going to use ground, and it doesn't matter which way you do it first, but we will just put slight power on it, and that locks it. And then when you reverse the polarity, this will unlock it. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. I will have links to eBay in the description, as well as the OEM partner number. And I also have a video that I did in the junkyard to show you how to remove this off of the car. So I hope that helps. We'll see you next time.